What's going on, guys? Super excited right now because I'm heading to FedEx to pick up a package, something I've wanted for a long time. Did so much research and looking, and for the best price I could do right now with what I could afford, this thing is going to be awesome. So it'll be the next big tool I need to help work on my car and also improve myself in my career. Whew, we are here at FedEx. Oh yeah. So excited. Thank you, FedEx, for doing this and actually getting me in. Got it. There's the box. It's hard to tell what it is right now, especially, which is good because I'm gonna unbox at the shop, and that's where I'm going right now. So we'll see you there. All right, guys, I'm super stoked to show you this awesome new thing that's gonna help me out for a long time. Boom. Brand new welder. Yeah, so I finally got myself a welder. Did a lot of research looking up other ones and different brands and stuff like that. Which one would be best? Get a multi-processor, get a MIG, and then get a TIG later. So this is the best one I could think of for now. The last few things I need, I know, are wire as well as a tank. So here's my Everlast Welder. I'm gonna see how well this thing stays because unfortunately I have the tripod, but of course I forgot the tripod mount at home. So we're gonna see how well this is. I think I'm in view about the right amount, so here she is, this beautiful thing. So we got the welder here. She's very, very green. Look at that. That is green as can be. So this is the Power I-Mig 200. And I got it for a pretty decent price. It was pretty crazy, actually. They ordered it yesterday, like I called them just before about 3 o'clock. They shipped it out that night. It was at my door when I was in class at 9:45 this morning. So literally less than 24-hour turnaround. They're in Hamilton, so you actually need to order the Everlast from the Canada distributor because the American one cannot ship to Canada unless you got like a PO box or ship it to Ogdensburg or something. So I opted for the Canadian version, so I had to order from Hamilton, but great customer service, and man, this thing looks so cool. So it's got all the settings up here, little screen for everything. It's all digital readout, has your volts and your speed here, as well as your arc force, and you can switch between stick and MIG. So I'll put her right over here. Thought this was pretty cool. The what do you call them back in like high school and elementary, like a duotang kind of thing, a little binder here, but it's got a nice little lens here, putting the wire and all that stuff, setting it up. So that looks wonderful. Beautiful presentation on that. We got the converter here, so that goes from 240 down to 120 for your regular outlet. So a little less power for it, but it's doable in a regular wall outlet. Got the stick clamp here for your electrodes. That looks pretty nice. Got the gas line, obviously from the welder to the tank. Got your ground clamp. Again, looks really nice. The wiring and how it's set up looks great. So we got a flow meter. That looks pretty sick. Wow, it's got some weight to it. Yeah, so your tank pressure, and then obviously the amount you're using while you're welding. A little adjuster there. That's pretty damn sick. The MIG gun. Damn. It's a 3M series. 24 MIG gun. It's a quick connector. That's what it was. So on there, it's the quick connect. I guess that's what they call it, the Euro quick connector. That looks pretty sick. So your different ends for the gun, obviously, different sizes, 0.8, 0.9. So that's for your larger wire. The different tips as well for it. So all in all, it comes pretty well stacked and ready to go. Like, yep. Everlast. Looks pretty sick. Now, unfortunately, I don't have wire or gas tonight, but I'm gonna plug it in real quick just to power it up, check it out, see how all the functions look. So let's get to that. All right, so we're gonna hooked up. Just a few Coronas, eh? You can have any brew in the house as long as it's a Corona. This thing is pretty. All right, so first time powering her up. Woo! Look at that. Oh, that's sick. So you got your stick amps or wire feed, depending which one you're using. So just flick of a switch. Side door there. All your setups, no matter what you're doing, whether on your 120 or 240, what wire you're using, what metal you're gonna be working on. So obviously this is for your spool. Line up and go through here. The adjuster on it looks pretty good. There, all that in there. The motor, I'm not sure which drive motor since I know it has the one main here. Also, there is another setting on the back here. There's a burn back setting, so you can put that from 0.2 to 1.5 seconds. That's always nice to have as well. This thing looks sweet, really well made. Cannot wait to start using it. So it's on the stick function now. We're running at 61 volts. And you can just use this knob for the amps. Cranks out to 100, maybe because it's on the 120. Not sure, have to look more into this. And even the arc force you can adjust. I'm not sure if that's still a setting with the stick. And you can switch over, flick of a button, boom, you're on MIG. Get your volts over here. Then you get your wire feed. So it's IPM, so it's inches per minute. And obviously the amps are for the stick. It's got a little settings here. Got lots of flow. That fan works really well. A little cover there when you're doing your work so nothing gets on this nice screen. I wish I could weld it right now. Either way. So guys, that's just the startup here of the Everlast I-Mig 200. I might try and just cut in another video when I get the wire and also the gas. That way I can do a couple passes for you and see how it runs. Mess with the settings a little bit and see how it works. Then we can get to working on the 240. Lots of work needs to be done, and doing other stuff too, like doing exhaust and a bunch of other things. So we'll see. Only way to go from here is up with this thing. Love it. Everlast, this thing looks sick. I cannot wait to use it.